Welcome to the GCSE Maths Advantage. I'm Dr. James Carter, and every episode I'm going to break down one topic, show you where the marks are, and give you a quick win you can use in your next exam. Whether you're targeting a grade 7 or pushing for a 9, let's get into it.
Hook. This one instruction, show that, cost thousands of marks across last year's papers, not because the algebra was hard, but because students forgot the habit examiners want. Write the chain of equalities clearly and finish with a final statement. If you ever freeze at show that or give an exact answer, this episode gives you one exam-safe routine that wins method marks every time.
Right. What do show that and exact actually mean? They're asking you to present a precise algebraic chain, start from one side, apply valid algebraic steps, and reach the expression the question claims. The examiner doesn't want mystery. They want to see your reasoning. So our job is not to prove something philosophically, but to demonstrate one valid chain of manipulations that converts A into B. Let's work through this step by step. Here's a worked example you'll hear across many papers. Show that 2x plus 3 squared minus x plus 1 times 3x plus 5 equals x plus 2 squared. Don't panic. We will expand carefully, collect like terms, and factor if needed. I'll read each line slowly and explain why it earns a mark.
Step 1. Expand each product. Expand 2x plus 3 squared to get 4x squared plus 12x plus 9. Expand x plus 1 times 3x plus 5 by distributing. X times 3x plus 5 gives 3x squared plus 5x. 1 times 3x plus 5 gives another 3x plus 5. So combined, that's 3x squared plus 8x plus 5. Read that aloud in your head as you write it. The examiner can follow your line-by-line work for method marks.
Step 2. Subtract the second expansion from the first. So we write 4x squared plus 12x plus 9 minus 3x squared plus 8x plus 5. Now collect like terms. 4x squared minus 3x squared leaves x squared. 12x minus 8x leaves 4x. 9 minus 5 leaves 4. So the result is x squared plus 4x plus 4.
Step 3. Recognize the quadratic. X squared plus 4x plus 4 is a perfect square. It factors to x plus 2 squared. So we've transformed the left-hand expression into x plus 2 squared, which matches the right-hand side. At this point, you write a final line. Therefore, 2x plus 3 squared minus x plus 1 times 3x plus 5 equals x plus 2 squared. Box that equality, that's your finish. Now, why does each step earn marks? On a typical 3-mark show that question, the examiner is looking for method and accuracy. M1 for a correct expansion or correct algebraic manipulation, M1 for correct combination of like terms or rearrangement, and A1 for the correct final statement or exact simplification. If you show the expansion and the collection, but make an arithmetic slip, you often still keep one method mark. That is why writing the steps matters. Examiner tip. Label your steps. Write expand, then your working, then collect terms, then your simplification. Examiners scan for a clear method. A labelled chain of equalities makes it easy for them to award method marks even if you make a small slip later. Remember my catchphrase, the examiner wants to see your method. Common omission. Students reach the simplified expression but forget the final statement that connects it to the question. For a show that, you must explicitly write the equality the question asked you to show. Writing the raw simplified expression without the therefore line can cost you the final accuracy mark. So box the statement. It's a small habit with real reward. Quick win. A 10-second routine you can use in every exam. 1. Write the target from the question at the top. 2. Label each step. Expand, simplify, factor, short labels. 3. Box the final equality and write hence shown or therefore shown. 4. Substitute one easy value into both sides. For our example, use x equals 0. Left-hand side, 2 times 0 plus 3 squared minus 0 plus 1 times 0 plus 5 equals 9 minus 5 equals 4. Right-hand side, 0 plus 2 squared equals 4. They match. Quick sanity check done.
That substitution trick takes 10 seconds and catches sign errors or missing constants in most show that problems. Don't skip the check. It's one of those grade 9 moves that really pays off. Students sometimes saw the right pattern in their head, but lost marks through sloppy presentation. This routine prevents that.
3 frequent pitfalls and how to fix them quickly. 1. Skipping justification. Fix it by writing the expansion or the factor explicitly. 2. Sloppy rearrangement or sign errors. Fix that with the substitution check I just gave you. 3. Missing the final statement. Always end with therefore or hence shown and box the equality. These are presentation fixes, not new algebra, and they win marks.
Mini practice for you now. Try this one. Show that x plus 3 squared minus x minus 1 times x plus 5 equals 2x plus 14. Pause the episode if you need to. Write expand and show both expansions. Collect terms for the subtraction and end with therefore x plus 3 squared minus x minus 1 times x plus 5 equals 2x plus 14. If you want to self-mark, give yourself M1 for a correct expansion line, M1 for correct collection of terms, A1 for the exact final equality. If you hit 2 out of 3, don't worry, you still have credit. Read the official work steps in the show notes to compare.
That's your quick win for today. If this helped, share it with a friend who's revising. You'll find more worked solutions and a printable checklist for show that and exact questions at jcacademyonline.co.uk. Stay curious.